Hi there, it's Ralph. In this video I will talk you through the process of animating this character. This is the last behind the scenes for RadioBot. I would love also to get your feedback, so please let me know in the comments if you enjoy these behind the scenes videos and what you would love to see next about Unity and Blender. Great. For the animation, I'm going for one idle animation and one wake up animation. I restarted the idle animation several times from scratch because, well, I'm not a professional animator by far. However, I learned a few techniques that I would love to share with you. I started by setting the animation to 24 frames, but later increased it to 48 to make the movements longer and so slower. The most important detail is probably the fact that the animation must perfectly loop, so the first and last frame have the same keyframe set. If they are not identical, the brain will directly pick it up and see that something's wrong. Then I keyframe the main poses, those are the largest bones that make up most of the animation. I start large and then go into the details. So first the general movement, then I introduce some more rotation, and then I tweak each pose a bit more. When I'm satisfied with the general animation, then I can go in and animate what is called the secondary actions. Those are the antennas, the button, speaker, and the eyes. All those elements help sell the complete animation. For this animation, I animate the secondary actions to follow or react to the overall direction of the animation. For the wake up animation, which might be used when the robot simply powers up, I apply the same technique. First the main body movement, then the details. Alright, this behind the scenes was very short, but it was important to finish this series of videos and show you all the steps involved in creating a 3D game character in Blender. I'm not hiding you that characters are tough. I enjoy learning about it and hope you also learned something. Please subscribe if you're enjoying this channel and make sure to hit the bell to get notified every Wednesday when a new video comes out. With that being said, I thank you very much for watching, keep it up and see you next time.